Hey good people, Nails by Ra here. Before we get into the thick of everything, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you. So I have great news to share this time. I have been reaching out for a while to Premium Nails about becoming a brand ambassador. The idea even came about sometime last year. In August of 2019, they reposted my work and I thought, I love this brand and my clients like this brand. They love this brand. Why not? So why not reach out and see what could happen? Well, after months, I finally received my package and I'm so excited. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, Premium Nails. I promise to do you justice. So let's get into it because I've been waiting to record this opening for you all. Make sure you follow them. It's Premium Nails. They are on Instagram, YouTube, as well as Facebook, and they are made in the US, so that is a bonus. So this is the Elite Design dipping system. I'm excited to open this. You ready? I'm ready. So let's try not to break it. Oh, so I have some instructions. You've got your instructions here. These can be helpful if you are, again, a dip powder novice or extraordinaire. It can never be too harmful to have some instructions on what to do. There is the multiple steps. So you have your gel base. I'm excited. Okay, so there's your gel base, your brush on activator, and then your maintenance for your brush rejuvenator, which is very important. And then the brush on activator and the top shine, as well as your cuticle moisturizer. So this will come in handy. Oh, and they gave me full sizes and complimentary brushes should I mess up. Thank you. So this is good here. This is really good. I always love new stuff. So I've got my Nourishing oil, my cuticle oil. And this is all from Premium Nails. This is the Elite Design dipping powder system. Just gonna leave this here. And then I've got the brush rejuvenator, which is super important here. Just in case you mess up, you can always just rejuvenate your brush. But should you mess up your brush to the point where it cannot be repaired, they gave extra brushes, so that was awesome. Also, I have my gel top coat, the shine. And my activator, as well as my gel base. So I did this a little backwards, but in reverse. Got your 1, your 2, your 3, brush saver should you need it, and your Nourishing cuticle oil. And this is all Premium Nails Elite Design dipping powder. Oh, and I got a complimentary gel product. So that's okay. Now I'm excited to really create with these. You have no idea. I understand recently they were trying to, okay, so I actually got colors. I thought this was a gel powder base and top coat, but I have Orchid. Ooh. I have Neon Red, which matches one of the dip powders I already have, so I'm really excited about these. And I have Light Taupe. Perfect. I want to open these so bad and mess with them, but we have so much more to get through. And oh, I got full size of the dip, so we are going to create with these very, very soon. So hopefully you stay tuned. You will. This one is Rose Petals. You'll be seeing that on my channel. We've got French White for the French tip. Oh, these are full size. And we have Sheer Soft Pink, if you are not a fan of clear on white. And then there is Clear. So this is good. This is really good. This is great. And if I wasn't already happy, I have a smile tray. So that goes in for your French dip. It helps it, makes everything smoother so that you have an even surface lay and a pretty smile line. So this is so helpful. I'm going to make some room because I also have some acrylic, so traditional acrylic. I call it because this is the nail enhancement that requires monomer and polymer. Now, monomer is the liquid that bonds with the polymer, which is the powder. A lot of people don't know this, but dip powder is still acrylic. Don't let anybody say different. And I'm just super excited. I am going to also link everything in the description bar so that in case I missed anything, you have access to it. Again, I'm so excited. I was bubbling over with excitement this morning when I got the knock on the door with my stuff. Now for the gentle reveal. I was excited for this as well because I have, it looks like at least 15 samples of the acrylic. And we all know I love samples of acrylic. Let's try and get this open. Alrighty. Okay. So I have an instruction manual, technical manual on how to do everything and what to do. So this is always very, very helpful, especially if you are a beginner or if you are an expert. This is very helpful. You have your sculpted technique, maintenancing files, and your tip underlay technique. This is so helpful, especially if you are, again, a beginner or currently in school and you want more practice with traditional laying of the acrylic. This is very helpful. I have what looks like bonding agent. It's a little sample. I have primer. It's just a no lifting primer. That is important if you are still practicing. And I have so many colors, I don't even know where to start. So there's clear, pink. There is, extreme black. I cannot wait to use these. I have extreme French white. There is ultra pink. Rose peach nude. I have been looking for a perfect nude, so they really came through. I was not expecting this. I keep saying this, but I am forever thankful that they took a chance on me and my skill. And I have ultra pink and crystal clear pink. And all of these can also be purchased on their website. It's premiumnails.com. Boy. So there is extreme pink, nude, pink with opaque cover, and then there is a warm pink nude. I cannot wait. I'm telling you, you're gonna get tired of me. Maybe not. And then I have the cool nude, peach nude, and American white. I love this. There is also, I do have a top coat. So this is the gel UV top coat. And also the monomer. I'm going to leave this in here because if I take it out, it's going to smell up my room. And another case of monomer. Oh, I'm so thankful. So here we have it. Here we have it. Thank you. That's all I have for you right now. But please make sure to stay tuned for all of the content that is getting ready to be created. I'm so thankful for you all for still being here with me. I've been in the game for about 8 years now, and I really do appreciate the patience that a lot of you have had with me creating content. Again, make sure you subscribe to my channel, share it, comment, like. Make sure you reach out to me at nailsbyra@gmail.com. I am also at www.nailsbyra.com. Also, make sure you check out Confessions of a Nail Tech blog. There's also the Confessions of a Nail Tech podcast. I am also on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, and Facebook at Nails by Ra. All of that will be in the description bar. Until next time, see you later, good people.